Taiwan. Today is our third full day. It's July 12th. Yeah, today is July 12, 2019. Time check. It's almost 7 a.m. We are on our way to the train station. We're gonna ride the Singshan station, and then lipad kaming red line. Tapos doon kami sasakay ng bullet train papuntang probinsya ng Taiwan sa Taichung. So, yan yung ice. Goodness. So, yung street namin, ganito. Kaya kaya lang talaga siya galing Airbnb.
Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car.
We just left and we're looking for coffee, but we don't have coffee.
City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm.
Just made it to the Taichung bus stop. There's bus stop, looks like an airport. So we just made it here. Now we're going to the Holy Farm. We're going to go to bus. This looks like an airport.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town.
Daming kinapay. Dami.
I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna
Tingnan mo
make
sila,
mistakes.
lahat ng payong nila.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Siguraduhin mo yung bibilin mo yung hindi pinagugasan na naman, ha? Guys, check this out. Gusto ni Jacob yan. So we just arrived at the Tai'an Station. Here, this one. We are on our way to the Houli farm and took us like 1 hour for the train ride. 1 hour la, diba? Or 45 minutes. 45 minutes from Taipei main station to Taichung. Usually it will take you like 4 hours, but we took the bullet train. And then 45 minutes from Taichung Station to Tai'an Station. It still belongs to Taichung City. And this is what we see. And now we're going to take a cab going to the flower farm. Ni hao. 谢谢。Ito yung barbecue.
Mamaya na yun.
Ay, may mga nagpo-photoshoot.
Hi. Oh, 照一张，我再照一个。
Oh, ticket booth. $160. Yes. $120. I think this is how much you pay for adults. And this is for kids. Ni hao.
Hi everyone, this is Rain. Welcome to our channel. Right now we are at the Houli farm here in Taichung. We're gonna explore it for the day, and then after that we're gonna go to the rainy floor. Yay! Yay!
Where's the wind?
This will be your last call. 20 minutes, you're done.
May gazebo pa. Ayan po. Wheat fields. Wheat titit. Lotus pan. Hanapin namin si Lotus feet. Akala ko kanina corn to.
Grabe din yung asyenda ko eh.
Hoy! Ano na kunin na natin? Luto natin. Ayan na. Kuha natin ng isda si Joshua.
Ito. Ano ba ba?
Hito. Ano ang kapatid ng hito?
Tita.
Hita. Yung vlog ko, wala nang katuturan. Bilis, bilis, bilis. Kita mo, wala nga akong nag... Yan na, bilis na lang. Sunflower. Jeremy, look, I saw my favorite flower. And it's a heart shape. No winner. Sabi mo ulit, sabi mo ulit.
Wala.
Pakisabi nga, pakisabi. Pakisabi nga, pakisabi. I-video mo dahil?
Gusto lang mga
Dahil?
makakaba.
Sa mga namamakla dyan. Hoy, sus. Pak, pak, papak. May kilala ako nito. Diyos ko. This is Backlash Paradise.